got another one here on the same page here. I'm going to make this a little bit larger. I realized drawing that one was a little small. I'll draw something down below like this one. Oops. Again, I'm going to start this one off to the right here. I just need to make my lines faster and sketchier, so I can make them go straight much more accurately if I draw quickly. I'm just using my whole arm and just pulling the pencil around. Okay, this was like that. I'm using a soft pencil so that this is nice and bold for the video. Okay. Then on my example there I have this. So if this is the front face, I took a bevel off of here. I've got a new edge here and a new edge here on this edge. Oops. You know what? I'm going to have to... Sometimes you got to make sure you come along and you're decisive about where that line actually is, because that will affect the alteration. Okay. From these these points create new corners. There, and then when these reach the back edge here, that's going to give you a corresponding diagonal right there, and then this can be removed. There we go. And then I did one other alteration where I opened up the bottom here with this little pathway. So this is going to be an opening, so I'm creating a cavity through it. Take that bottom edge out. Draw up to the vanishing point here, and this diagonal go from this point. I go to the vanishing point. I'm not drawing to that corner. That's if it does intersect that corner, then that's a coincidence. So don't do that. I've seen it in people learning this make the inaccurate assumption that from here you just draw diagonally. You don't. You're drawing to here, and then whatever path this takes, wherever it runs into that edge, that's where it runs into it. Okay. A little bit of shading on the inside and have that just kind of fade out here. Vertical surface, I'm going to shade this. Maybe I'll shade this a little bit more darkly there. Okay, there you go. Put those line edges in there a little harder. Oops. And maybe I will just grab the straight edge. And it's pretty accurate. Make sure you're drawing horizontals when you're not aligning it to the vanishing point, that you're aligning it to something that's straight. Because if you just put this down approximately what looks about right, you can end up with a diagonal back there that doesn't belong there. And this here, now you can see how much I'm going to chop this off here. That foreshortening of that top surface brings this angle sharply back to the center like that. So that's pretty good. cut some of this off. It'd be kind of surprising sometimes. Just it's easy to make those edges a little bit too soft or just to miss the angle a little bit. Okay.